Scaling AI analysis across millions of rows of data usually means trading deep LLM insights for budget-friendly but less powerful ML techniques. What if you could get LLM-quality results at a fraction of cost and add BigQuery speeds? In this video, we are introducing Optimized Mode for BigQuery AI functions, a new capability that lets you scale AI-driven analysis across your largest dataset while keeping your queries fast and cost-effective. BigQuery AI provides powerful managed functions like AI.IF and AI.CLASSIFY that brings reasoning of large language models or LLMs directly to your data. By default, this function sends every single row of your data to LLM. When you are dealing with large-scale datasets like millions of product reviews, insurance claims, or customer support requests, these approaches can be expensive and take a long time to process. But for tasks like classification, rating, or filtering, you don't actually need to send each and every row to LLM to get LLM-quality evaluation. You just need a smarter way to scale that intelligence. Optimized mode for BigQuery AI functions let you process large-scale dataset containing millions or even billions of rows. We significantly reduce LLM token consumption and query latency compared to standard per-row LLM inference. This mode works by distilling a model tailored to your query and your data. Instead of sending every row to the LLM, BigQuery takes a small sample of your data and asks the LLM to label it. It then trains a lightweight distilled model locally within BigQuery using your data embeddings. This distilled model relies on rich embedding to do the heavy lifting, bringing semantic understanding to your data so BigQuery can process the rest internally. Because the distilled model runs directly on BigQuery compute, you can see valuable gains in query speed and reduced costs. BigQuery triggers optimized mode automatically for supported AI functions like AI.IF or AI.CLASSIFY. You can pass data embeddings as a function parameter, or if you are using autonomous embedding generation, BigQuery will find them and optimize the job for you without any extra code. Let's see it in action with Let's Drive, a fictitious self-driving car company. Our first challenge is to classify obstacles in 34,000 images from our front-facing cameras. We will head over to BigQuery Studio, starting with a standard query. Here, we are using AI.CLASSIFY to identify what obstacles are seen in our footage. Because we aren't using optimization yet, BigQuery sends all 34,000 rows to the LLM. Looking at the results, you can see that it works perfectly, but at this scale, it consumes over 55 million tokens and comes with a significant processing time. Now, let's run the exact same query, but we will add the embeddings parameter. This one-line change triggers optimized mode, and BigQuery automatically kicks off the distillation process. It samples the data, evaluates quality inline, and then runs the distilled model across the non-sampled rows. After the execution, you can see in the Job Information tab that the vast majority of the rows were optimized, which means it ultimately consumed just over 3 million tokens, a reduction of 94%. You can also see that the query ran quite a bit faster, taking the original almost 16 minutes execution time down to just over 2 minutes. Because the distilled model is now trained, your saving grows with your data. The more rows you process, the more you save in both time and tokens. Now, let's use AI.IF to process 50,000 driver voice commands to filter to only commands where the driver is asking to slow down. In this case, the table already contains autonomous embedding generated by BigQuery, perhaps for search use cases or proactively for AI optimization itself. For queries like this, the embedding columns is auto-detected and optimization kicks in automatically. Here we have our filter results. And look at the job information. We can confirm that majority of the rows were optimized in this case as well. As you can see, optimized mode is a game changer for enterprises leveraging AI to analyze large-scale data, removing the traditional trade-off in speed and cost. Ready to try out optimized mode for your BigQuery AI analysis? Check out the documentation below to learn how to add embeddings to your AI functions and start optimizing today.